Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is HP Envy Inspire 7220E. I'm going to show you how to scan documents from this printer to your mobile phone and also from this printer to the computer. You need to make sure your mobile phone, printer and laptop are connected to the same network. My mobile phone, this printer and laptop are connected via Wi-Fi network. To scan your document, what you need to do is you need to open up the glass scanner. Check my video how we connected this printer to Wi-Fi network. You will see how we connected this printer and phone and laptop to Wi-Fi network. So take the document you want to scan, place it on the glass scanner. You need to make sure that the document starts from the top left side. You will see this arrow, and this is A4 paper. Then you close the printer and you decide the gadget you want to use. We want to do this first of all with mobile phone. Then from the HP Smart app, then you select scan. You scroll down and select the size of the paper. Paper size as A4 paper. You will see a black tick, good mark. Then the source is glass scanner. Resolution, you scroll down. The maximum with phone is 300 dpi. Is currently in 200 dpi. Then you go back. Color is in color. You can select black and color. So it's currently in color. Then you go back. And also, if you are scanning photo, then you select photo is currently in document. You scroll this to the side and select photo. And the photo will highlight. So you scroll it to the side and select document. You will see a blue color. So document is picked up. Then you select scan. Now this document is scanning. It will show you scan sent. Then you select full. Make sure it's in full. Then select next. This is the document. If you are not happy with it, then you select the blue three dot to edit it, replace it or delete. But I'm happy with it. Now to scan the second document, you select plus. Open up the glass scanner. Stick the second document you want to scan face down. Close the printer. Then select scan. It will show you scan sent successfully. Then you select full, then select next. So this is the document we scan, 2 pages document. You can save this document, print it out, likewise share. To print this document out, you select print. Then the document will be attached. Then you decide if you want to print this double-sided, long edge. And also the color, want to print it colored, then you select print. This document now is printing. Here we go. So this is the document we printed out. We scanned this document and printed it out, colored, double-sided. If you want to share this document, then you select share. Document type, basic PDF. Actual size is 0.5 MB, so you can reduce it. Actual size is 0.5. Then document is A4. Then you select share. Then it gives you option for you to share this document to somebody via Outlook, WhatsApp. I'm going to send this document to myself via email. Now this document is attached to my inbox. Then you put the email address of the person you want to send this to. Type the subject hi, type the message hi, then you select this blue arrow to send. Now this document is sent to my inbox. Then you go back. If you want to save this document, then you select save. Select PDF, then you select save. It will ask you where do you want to save this document. It will bring out the download, or you can select any particular folder, then you select save. So this file is now saved on this mobile phone. So our job here is done. The next thing is for you to go to the email address and check this document. So to scan document with the laptop, first of all, you need to stick the document, make sure the laptop and the printer are connected to the same network. Then you go to your laptop, select scan, glass scanner as a source. You can select reset settings. Then you select document, preset is document, scan the entire area, output is color. Resolution, if you scroll down, the maximum is 1200 dpi, is currently in 300 dpi. You can select preview or scan. If you select preview, it will fetch the document, then you see the document. If you are not happy with it, then you delete it. If you are happy with it, then you select scan, you can select preview. So now it's fetching the document. So this is the document. Now if you are happy with it, then you select scan. This is the document. The same procedure. If you are not happy with it, then you select the three blue dots here, then to delete it. To print this document, to print it out, you select print. If you want to save it, then you select save. If you want to share, you select share. All the features you need to utilize this document, you scan. So to print it out, select print. Then you scroll down and make sure you select the correct printer. So this document will only scan one page. So you scroll down and select the document is portrait A4 and borderless is off. Scroll down to more option or scaling. More option, print on one side. Then you select OK. Then select print. So this is the document we scanned, printed it out. If you want to save this document, you select save. Basic PDF, select save. Then you decide where you want to save this document in the download. We want to save it in the download. Then you select save. Your file has been saved. So this file is now saved in this computer. Then you close it. If you want to share this document, then you select share. Share. Basic PDF, select share again. It gives you option for you to share this document via Outlook, or you select the person you want to send it. I want to send this document to myself. Type the message hi. Then select send. Your document is now sent, shared with your Outlook. Then you select close. So this is exactly how this works. You can go back to the email address and check this document. So this is how to scan your document from HP Envy Inspire 7220E to your laptop and also to your mobile device. Print document, share this document, and the document we sent to the computer just arrived. If you're happy with this, please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.